Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be making a slime smoothie. Just a minute, I gotta get my container. What?
You can't see nothing.
Please don't report me. So, this is the container. Take the cover off it. How long are you supposed to put slime in it? You can't. Okay, so the first slime is a fluffy slime. It's like really sticky, at the same time it's not sticky. Oh, it has a little chunk of something. Okay, so let's do that quick. Okay, so that is going into the jar. And off of my hand. And then I have a little bit of clear slime. Yeah, it's not good at all. I gave the rest to my friend before I made this video, and then I was like, yeah, just let me show them this. I'm only going to be adding a little bit. It doesn't click good at all. So that's going in.
Okay, guys, obviously, I got London.
You got me, right, London?
You know, I'm so nervous to do this.
And then there's this really sticky slime. I actually just made it yesterday. So, it's clicky.
Clicky.
Who got me? Oh, my brother. He did, but I said he was sick. London, he's sick. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So,
This one
no gift
going in. Okay, now I'm gonna take it out and mix it. Oh, you can really feel that little piece of clear slime in there. Well, some weird. Oh, it's not good at all. I need water. Can you guys see that water? I don't want to show them my ass again. Okay, I'll be right back after these short messages. Bye. I'm back. Weren't those some good messages, people?
Hey, over here. What do you think about working for me?
So I'm just gonna mix that in. Oh yeah, and I just dyed my hair.
Go for a walk today?
Yeah.
Go to skate park?
Yeah.
Do anything?
No. I know. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, bye.